all three of them got into that 140 and drove in the direction of R82. Hello. Finding you. What do you need from me? Alright. Alright, so you are fine for now. Yeah, alright. So the amount and stuff like that we don't disclose, but that is just for the police. They are on scene now.